search for how to buy shares of Defi Technologies Inc., which develops blockchain infrastructure and related technologies, and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DEFT. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy DEFT, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your identity with a document and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DEFT to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Defi Technologies Inc. so you are viewing the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a brief company summary and a price chart showing recent market activity. Double-check the company name and ticker DEFT to confirm this is the correct share page. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. Your DEFT position will appear in your portfolio once the order is filled. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to visit their platform.